Hello and welcome. In today's video we will be discussing how to obtain a Navy Federal Credit Union checking line of credit or personal line of credit. We will be taking a closer look at the benefits of having a personal line of credit with Navy Federal Credit Union and how it can benefit you financially. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. So let's get started. Navy Federal Credit Union. If you're not a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, the first step is to become one. You can check out our Navy Federal playlist videos or ask questions in the comments below, and we can help you out. Navy Federal Credit Union is an excellent choice because they offer a wide range of loans, including home loans, car loans, personal lines of credit, checking and savings, and business accounts. What is a Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit? A personal line of credit from Navy Federal Credit Union is a revolving line of credit that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as home renovations, debt consolidation, and unexpected expenses. It is an excellent tool to have as it provides quick access to funds whenever you need them. Interest is charged only on the amount of funds that have been used, and the borrower can repay the amount they've used and access those funds again during the term of the line of credit. This makes it a flexible and helpful option for individuals and businesses that have fluctuating or unpredictable financial needs. It's important to note that Navy Federal's lines of credit have a maximum limit of $15,000. Additionally, if you apply for a Navy Federal line of credit, be aware that they will conduct a hard inquiry through Equifax. Benefits of a Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit. Low interest rates. One of the significant benefits of Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit is that it offers a low interest rate, which can help you save money on interest charges over time. Flexible repayment terms. With a personal line of credit, you can make payments on your terms. You can choose to pay the minimum payment or pay off the balance in full every month. No collateral required. Unlike other loans, a personal line of credit from Navy Federal doesn't require any collateral. That means you don't have to put any assets at risk to access the funds you need. Quick access to funds. With a personal line of credit, you can get quick access to funds when you need them. Once you're approved, you can withdraw the money and use it for your needs. Credit score improvement. Using a personal line of credit responsibly can help you improve your credit score over time. How to apply for Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit. If you're interested in applying for a Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit, here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Visit the Navy Federal website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, address, and contact information. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to all of Navy Federal's products and services. Step 2. Apply for a personal line of credit by filling out the application form and submitting it. The application will ask for information about your income, employment, and credit history. Once you've submitted your application, Navy Federal will review it and let you know if you've been approved. Once your application is approved, you can withdraw funds from your personal line of credit. Overall, the application process for a Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit is straightforward and can be completed online from the comfort of your own home. If you have any questions or need help with the application, you can contact Navy Federal's customer service team for assistance. Here are some examples of how Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit can be used. Home improvement. If you're looking to make some home improvements, such as a kitchen or bathroom renovation, you can use your personal line of credit to fund the project. This way, you can pay for the renovations over time and avoid putting a large expense on a credit card. Debt consolidation. If you have high-interest debt from multiple sources, you can use your personal line of credit to consolidate the debt and pay it off at a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and save you money on interest payments. Emergency expenses. When you have unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency or a car repair, your personal line of credit can provide the funds you need to cover the cost. This way, you can handle the situation without having to dip into your savings or rely on high-interest credit cards. Tips for using Navy Federal Personal Line of Credit wisely. When using a personal line of credit, it's crucial to use it responsibly to avoid any negative impacts on your credit score. Firstly, it's important to only borrow what you can afford to pay back. It's easy to get carried away with the flexibility of a personal line of credit, but you should only borrow what you need and have a solid plan to pay it back. Secondly, making payments on time and in full is essential to maintaining a good credit score. Late or missed payments can result in a drop in your credit score and potentially lead to additional fees or penalties. Thirdly, use your personal line of credit for essential expenses only. While the flexibility of a personal line of credit can be tempting, it's important to only use it for necessary expenses, such as unexpected medical bills or home repairs. Lastly, Monitoring your credit score regularly can help you ensure that it's not negatively impacted by your personal line of credit usage. You can use a free credit monitoring service to keep an eye on your credit score and receive alerts for any changes. In conclusion, Navy Federal Credit Union Personal Line of Credit is an excellent financial tool that can help you manage your finances effectively and reach your financial goals. It offers several benefits, including low interest rates, flexible repayment terms, no collateral requirements, quick access to funds, and credit score. Becoming a member of Navy Federal Credit Union and following the tips we've discussed can increase your chances of being approved for a personal line of credit. By managing your finances responsibly and building a strong relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union, you can enjoy the benefits of a credit card and improve your financial well-being. Remember to hit the like button, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.